What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and we're gonna be spray dipping these babies. So my phone went a little off, and I kind of did this already. Already got the spray paint and spray into this little cup here. I thought this was pretty good for spray paint dipping or whatever the heck it's called. I forgot, but we're gonna spray paint dip right now. Oh, dude, it looks so cool. Okay, let's see if we can get it submerged. Whoa, dude. I know I'm getting my finger a little bit, but I don't really care. Dude, it looks like gallium. Have you ever seen gallium? That's what it looks like. It looks like gallium. You see me rolling. You see me rolling. Oh my god, we got spray paint all over our hands. We should probably watch it. Come on. We have to watch it. We have to watch my hand. We have to watch it. We have to watch it. We have to watch it. Turn this all the way up. Oh my god, guys. This is bad. Okay, guys, bye, but you saw me, and please like and subscribe if you're new, and I like having a YouTube channel, even if I don't have a million subscribers, but bye, and hopefully, next video will be with my friends.